Good evening, Snappers. This is Felicia. I had joined a group, a mini swap on paperpantry.ning, and the swap was June bird cages of a feather, and we were to include birds, feathers, bird nests. Pages should be 4 by 4, and the collection I used was Mariposa, and it's, not, I didn't want to do too much because the papers are pretty anyway. I cut my cage out with the Tim Holtz die. I went to Michael's and got some little birds. I cut a limb out with my Cricut and put the bird on the limb. Put little pearls on in the holes of the cage. And that was it for that side. On the back, I had Glimmer Mist the flower, put some lace down on it, and then pearls, and I personalized it by putting the initial of each person in the group that I'm in. And then I stuck my card in there with all my information. Also did the pen, and I used something. I used to use my glue, hot glue gun, but I went and got this jewelry glue, and then for some reason it just got them all frosty looking, the beads, and I hate that. The little baby roses, I got that off of Jules' video on her tutorial. And these are primas that I just glimmer mist with suede and key lime. So everyone's not the same. This one I did glimmer mist the key lime on this one. Trying to find one that's a little different in that paper. I really like that paper. And that one with the red bird, that's really pretty. And I just kind of bent it, and I used recycled food cartons. And that is my my little contribute, and they will be going in the mail first thing in the morning. Thanks for watching and have a blessed evening.